On February 17, 2007, in Harlingen, Texas, 2-year-old Mariah Alvarez was found unresponsive in her home. Her mother, Melissa Lucio, made a frantic 911 call, but it was too late. What followed would become one of the most controversial death row cases in Texas history. Melissa, a mother of 14 children, was immediately taken in for questioning. For 5 hours late into the night, investigators interrogated her. They showed her photos of her deceased daughter, insisted she was responsible, and pushed for a confession. Finally, exhausted and broken, Melissa uttered the words that would seal her fate. "I guess I did it. I'm responsible." But there was so much more to this story than those 5 words. Medical experts later discovered that Mariah likely died from complications of a head injury sustained from falling downstairs 2 days before her death. Bruises on her body, which prosecutors claimed were signs of abuse, were actually consistent with a blood clotting disorder. The trial judge blocked the defense from presenting evidence about Melissa's history of trauma and abuse, which experts say made her particularly vulnerable to giving a false confession. Her court-appointed attorney failed to present crucial medical evidence that could have explained Mariah's injuries. As Melissa sat on death row, her case caught the attention of lawmakers and advocates. They discovered that nearly 700 pages of evidence supporting her innocence had been suppressed during the trial. The Hispanic community rallied behind her, pointing out how racial bias may have influenced her treatment by law enforcement. Just 2 days before her scheduled execution in April 2022, Melissa received a stay. Her case exposed deep flaws in how we handle confessions, how we treat vulnerable defendants, and how our justice system sometimes rushes to judgment before uncovering the full truth. Today, as legal battles continue, Melissa's story reminds us that 5 words spoken in a moment of despair shouldn't outweigh mountains of evidence suggesting innocence.